more information about my portfolio, I look after corporate affairs and CSR is my passion, under which there is Godfrey Phillips India Bravery Awards. I also oversee the portfolio for tobacco brands because I don't know why tobacco brands are, kind of not almost being sidelined. People don't want to talk about tobacco and the issues related to tobacco. I also look after some of the other product categories, which is essentially in the area of tea and confectionaries and non-tobacco products for the company. What I have essentially a couple of messages in my presentation. The first and the most honest confession that I will make is that I do not have anything original here. I do not believe in reinventing the wheel, which a lot of great thinkers have already done. But what I do have here is my experience that is telling us, or at least telling me and my teams in Godfrey Phillips India Limited, as to where will the brands move, how will the brands move, and as marketeers or as business people, we need to be very, very clear about which way the wind is blowing. So that is the structure of my presentation. Having said that and introduced the concept, I will also show you through secondary data collected what is happening in India and what is happening in India on the subject that I have spoken about and gathered data. And therefore, were you interested to pursue this subject in your own organizations, there are some guidelines and framework that need to be considered or practiced. And thereafter, I'm open for a discussion if there is one. So let's take it forward. From a marketer's point of view, from a business point of view, from a brand manager's point of view, this is what's happening to the Indian market today. Just about everything and anything that's available is available. Very, very little differentiation is taking place, or if differentiation is taking place, it's taking place in the peripheral areas of advertising, which is not going to make a difference. So when I was talking to my marketing colleagues in various organizations, all of us essentially are stuck in the middle, and that's the worst place to be in.